Hit the books. This common English idiom means to study hard. It shows serious focus on learning, especially before important tests. Hit the books means to study intensely with determination. People use this expression when they need to focus completely on their books and notes. It suggests opening books and diving into serious academic work. Finals are next week, so it is time to hit the books. This sentence shows how students use the idiom before exams. The speaker understands they must start serious studying right away. Crack the books, burn the midnight oil, bone up, and cram all mean the same idea. These expressions also describe intense studying. English speakers use them in similar situations. I need to hit the books all weekend for this test. This example shows planning extended study time. The speaker commits to focused preparation before an important exam. Hit the books appears before exams, during academic pressure, for intensive studying and focused learning. Students use it most in school and university settings. It always suggests urgency and commitment. Hit the books means intense studying. People say it before exams and deadlines. The idiom shows serious commitment to academic success.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.